Gap insurance. Gap insurance is meant to be used in the conjunction with collision coverage or comprehensive coverage. If you have covered claim, your collision coverage or comprehensive coverage would help pay for your totaled or stolen vehicle up to its depreciated value. According to the Insurance Information Institute, when you drive a brand new vehicle off the lot, its value immediately decreases, and most vehicle value depreciated about 20% in the first year of ownership. But what if you still owe more on your loan or lease? The vehicle depreciated value. That's where the gap insurance may help. When you might need a gap insurance coverage may help if you are underwater on your auto loan, meaning you owe more than the car it's worth. When your vehicle is stolen or totaled, totaled, totaled means that repair costs exceed the value of the vehicle. Whether a vehicle is declared totaled, totaled depend on the state law and your insurer discretion. How does gap insurance work? Here is an example of a gap insurance may work. Say you bought a brand new car for $25,000. You still owe 20,000 on your auto loan when the car is totaled 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 in a covered collision. Your collision coverage would help your lender up to the totaled car depreciated value. Say it's worth 19,000. If you don't have to if you don't have to pay gap insurance, you would have to pay 1,000 out of your pocket to settle the auto loan on the totaled car. If you have gap insurance, your insurance will help you pay $1,000. Keep in mind that in the above scenario, the car insurance reimbursement goes completely to your auto lender to pay off the car that's no longer drivable. If you think you would need to help to buy a new car after you, you your car was totaled, you might want to consider purchasing a new car replacement coverage. Some insurance set early loan, flip, gap coverage, and new car replacement coverage together as a single car added on to a car insurance policy for a brand new vehicle. You may be able to get a gap insurance after you buy a car, depending on the of model year of the car. Gap insurance isn't just sold at the car dealership. Many insurers offer gap insurance as a part of a car insurance policy. According to the buying gap coverage from an insurance company often costs less than buying it from a car dealership. Some insurers require your vehicle to be brand new in order to purchase gap insurance. They may mean that you are the original owner of the car. You have still the original lease or loan on the car. That the vehicle is now older than 2 or 3 model years. Check with your insurer to see what qualifications are required for you to buy gap insurance. Is the gap insurance worth it? If you are considering buying a gap insurance, it is important to remember that this type of coverage may not be available if you are leasing or financing a new car. Then think about how much you owe on your auto loan versus the value of your car. You can get an estimate of what car is worth by checking a site like Kelly Blue Book. Do you own more than a car is worth? Could you afford to pay the difference out of the pocket if you are a car if your car is totaled